My name's Kayleen Scuderi, and I'm a retired midwife nurse. I volunteer here at DIK, which is Donations in Kind in Footscray, where everything that you see in this warehouse here is donated, and this would be in landfill if it wasn't utilised for overseas and domestic projects where these items are needed.
54 warehouses this size from landfill.
So we have many things that find a second home and third home that we're happy to send overseas. Each pallet has exactly the same thing on it, so that we know that in these we've got plaster of Paris, we've got leg braces, back braces, we've got wrist guards, we've got all sorts of bits and pieces. And the people at the other end can get a full list of what's coming, so they know that they're getting all of these things. So a lot of the countries have diseases where they just break out and they've got a major problem. So I thought, if that's the situation, then we need things like gowns, gloves, masks, booties, hats.
Masks, lots of items from examination kits.
A resuscitator. We've got some resuscitators which we had at work that nobody was trained to use, and so they come here too. I'm Kelly, I'm from the Donor Tissue Bank.
Hi, I'm Evan from Molecular Biology.
We're here at the Donations in Kind warehouse in Footscray.
And these are the donations from VIFM, from various departments, CFM, Forensic Technical Services, from the labs, from the Tissue Bank. And this is all being diverted from landfill to go to Rotary-based charities overseas mainly. We've been really fortunate to have a visit here today and see the amazing work that these people are doing.
Colleen Defay, I'm the manager of Donations in Kind. I'm also president of the Rotary Club of Brighton, so I have a very strong link to Donations in Kind through Rotary. The items that we receive, particularly what you guys have delivered today, will end up in a container for a developing nation into a hospital after we've checked what kind of environment, whether they have outplaced environments as well that they need to service, and we will then create packs that will support them in the other end. And that could be anywhere in the Asia Pacific region or Africa predominantly, and we do send some things to the Ukraine as well.
It's just about making people aware that there is a use for the stuff that they've opened that is still clean. And I know, having been in theatre, they'll open a pack, they'll wipe their hands on a towel, throw it in the bin. That towel, when it's washed and used overseas, is actually used, I know,
It's like all the blueies,
in theatre.
The blueies and the greenies. Yeah,
That's the points I'm making.
Yeah.
So those sort of things are so desperately needed, and they say, can we have more of those?
Right.
Whereas that goes in the bin here and
they
becomes
wash
landfill.
it.
Totally.
That's great.
So.